Get ready, because the OnePlus 15 Pro is about to take the smartphone world by storm, and this might just be the device that changes the way you think about mobile technology. Imagine holding a phone that not only looks futuristic but feels like it's designed just for you, with power, elegance, and AI intelligence working seamlessly together. Now tell me, doesn't that sound exciting? The OnePlus 15 Pro is rumored to launch in early 2025, and the buzz around this device is electrifying, with leaks pointing to some jaw-dropping features that are sure to leave even the biggest flagship competitors worried. And the more you hear, the more you'll want to stick around, because this phone has a hidden surprise that might just blow your mind. First things first, the design of the OnePlus 15 Pro is expected to be slimmer, lighter, and stronger, with aerospace-grade titanium framing and a nearly bezel-less 6.9-inch AMOLED QHD Plus display that offers a 144 Hz refresh rate, giving you smoother scrolling, sharper visuals, and an ultra-immersive experience for gaming, streaming, and everything in between. And what makes it even more special is the integration of AI-powered adaptive display technology that automatically adjusts brightness, refresh rate, and even color tones based on your environment, saving battery while still delivering stunning visuals. Powering this beast is Qualcomm's upcoming Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chip, built on a cutting-edge 3nm process, paired with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage, meaning performance will be lightning fast, multitasking will feel effortless, and gaming will run at console-level smoothness without any heating issues. And to top it off, OnePlus is reportedly enhancing the cooling system with advanced liquid vapor chambers to ensure maximum efficiency. Now, let's talk about battery life, because what's power without longevity? The OnePlus 15 Pro is rumored to pack a 5,500 mAh battery with 120W super fast wired charging and 80W wireless charging, allowing you to go from 0 to full in just under 20 minutes. And yes, AI steps in here too, optimizing charging patterns to reduce long-term battery wear so your phone keeps feeling new even after years of use. But wait, the cameras are where things get really interesting. The OnePlus 15 Pro is expected to come with a quad-camera setup co-engineered with Hasselblad, including a 200MP main sensor, a 64MP ultrawide, a 50MP telephoto with 10x optical zoom, and a dedicated AI-enhanced depth sensor. While on the front, you're getting a crisp 50MP selfie shooter designed for crystal-clear portraits and 4K video calling, and thanks to AI computational photography, low-light shots, portrait effects, and cinematic video modes are about to reach a whole new level of detail and clarity. Here's where it gets even more engaging. The OnePlus 15 Pro isn't just about specs, it's about the overall experience, with OxygenOS 16 built on Android 16 offering smoother navigation, smarter notifications, and personalized AI assistants that learn your habits, predict your needs, and even help you edit videos or generate content on the fly, making this phone more than just a device. It becomes your ultimate digital partner. And just when you think you've heard it all, here's the suspense. The OnePlus 15 Pro may introduce a hidden AI-powered satellite connectivity feature that lets you stay connected even without mobile signals, perfect for emergencies or adventures. And if true, this would be a game-changer that sets it apart from every other flagship in the market. So, should you wait for the OnePlus 15 Pro? Well, with a combination of titanium design, powerhouse chip, AI-driven display, next-gen battery life, super fast charging, revolutionary camera setup, and possibly satellite AI connectivity, the answer is pretty clear. This phone is shaping up to be an absolute monster, and if OnePlus nails the price point, it could dominate the flagship game in 2025. But here's the surprise I promised only to those who watch till the end. Rumors suggest OnePlus might also introduce a limited edition transparent variant of the OnePlus 15 Pro with glowing AI accents that react to your touch, giving you a smartphone experience unlike anything you've ever seen before. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know.